So ayun, gawa tayo ng instance. But first, open this instance. So, i-ano lang natin siya. So as you can see, we don't have any instance yet. So create lang tayo ng, just wait a minute. So punta lang tayo sa EC2 dashboard. Kita natin dito yung instance, gilid. And as you can see is we terminated a instance here. So yeah. So how to create? Yan mo lang siya user1. Then choose this Amazon. Then don't need to touch this, so because it's default and it's free tire. Then dito naman sa micro, ganoon din siya, free din siya. This naman keeper naman is, since meron tayo nagawang ano dito kanina, pero gagawa tayo ulit ng user 2 na lang. Yan, lagyan natin yan. Or wait, yung sa ano lang. Yan, kasi nakagawa na tayo kanina. So create, allow lang natin yan. Then we have a code here. So just wait a minute, I'm just going to open the notes and like send sa kagi here. So here, just copy this. Make sure na nakopy natin siya. Yan. Then paste it here. Then yun. So you can, ano naman to, user 1. User 1. Can change that naman. So yan. After yan is launch lang natin. And it's creating and then successful. Click lang natin. Then as you can see, running na siya. So you can check this if it's working or not. So you can paste it here and then wait for it. Okay, this site isn't available. Refresh lang natin yung ano to. Bakit eh? Ayan, then wait for it. Okay. Then click this, then place it again. And it works. Nakalagay dyan. And next is go to the Elastic Block Store. So to attach a volume, so we need to, okay, what was this? Click lang natin. So nakalagay dito. So create lang tayo ng volume. Yan, so lagay lang natin dito is 2 GB. You don't need to fund that. And here, dapat naka-AP Southeast siya. Then, here, snap. Then, nakalagay naman dito if not eligible. So, hanap lang tayo. So, why? Just wait a minute. Wait. That's a then create na natin siya. So you can see nakapag-create na tayo ng volume dito. Then you can refresh this and go to instance. And as you can see, this is a running and the available is to a public mm, public IPv4. Okay, that's it. Then go to volume. So ito yung ginawa natin kanina. So this is available. Okay. So ayun. So ganun lang siya guys. So gawin lang natin tong 2. Then you can customize an ID but don't need that. So ayun. Then create lang natin siya. Ayan siya guys. Yun lang siya. Then next is here. Let's see the instance. Then this one is running and you can check here the volume here from the storage. Yan. So as you can see, there's a volume here, but you can create another one since it's failing again and again. Here, so the size is 2 GB and it's creating. Just wait a minute. So you can refresh this for you to see the status here. It's now available. So this is the size, then this is the volume ID, and go to instance again and search it, or just look at the mm, it works. So that's it. So thank you.